So another way that you can revise your hold on. Okay, another way that you can revise your sentence is by adding adverbs. Okay, so remember, adverbs are those words that end a lot of times in ly. Okay, they're going to describe the verb for you. Okay, they're going to describe your verb or the action. So I might say, for example, the frigid wind was blowing, and I want to describe how it was blowing. So the frigid wind was blowing, I'm going to say wildly, comma, you still put your comma there with your conjunction, and the colorful leaves were falling. Okay, so I added an adverb to describe how it was blowing. Now, on yours, you might want to add your adverb to say how the cat was meowing. Okay, so think about how he might be meowing and describe that. I think that's the easiest maybe on yours.